I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a Kansas City strip steak. First, select a high-quality strip steak, ideally 1½ inches thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels to achieve that perfect crust. Season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This simple preparation is key to a delicious, evenly cooked steak. Now let's get that incredible sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the screaming hot pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a beautiful, deep golden brown crust. This initial sear locks in the juices and builds incredible flavor. After searing, you have a couple of options to finish cooking. You can transfer the steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Or, for an even richer flavor, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of garlic, and some fresh herbs to the pan. Continuously baste the steak with this aromatic butter for 3 to 5 minutes, until it reaches your preferred internal temperature, like 130 degrees Fahrenheit, for a perfect medium rare. The final, crucial step is resting. Once your steak reaches your desired doneness, remove it from the heat and place it on a cutting board. Tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for a minimum of 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice against the grain into ½ inch thick pieces and enjoy your perfectly cooked Kansas City strip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.